Welcome. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can disable those Chrome completed downloads notifications from showing up on your Android phone's lock screen. If you've ever downloaded something and then noticed that Chrome keeps displaying those little notifications even when your phone is locked, it can get pretty distracting. The good news is that there's a quick and simple way to turn them off. Let's dive right into the steps. First, open the Settings app on your phone. This is where we'll make the changes so you don't have to deal with those unnecessary alerts anymore. Next, scroll down and tap on Apps. This section lists all of the apps installed on your phone and allows you to manage their permissions and notifications. From the list of apps, find and select Chrome. This is the app responsible for the download notifications you've been seeing. Once you're inside Chrome's settings, go ahead and tap on Notifications. Here, you'll see the different types of alerts that Chrome is allowed to send. Now tap on Notification Categories. This is where everything is broken down into different groups, things like downloads, incognito notifications, site alerts, and more. From here, look for the option labeled Completed Downloads and tap on it. This is the specific category that controls those pop-ups you've been wanting to disable. Inside the Completed Downloads section, you'll see an option for Lock Screen. Tap on it, and then choose Don't Show Notifications. And that's it. From now on, those Chrome completed download alerts will no longer clutter your lock screen. You'll still have your downloads saved in your phone, but they won't be displayed up front unless you want them to. Making this small adjustment helps keep your lock screen a lot cleaner and free from distractions, while still letting you access your downloads when you actually need them. So, give it a try and enjoy a smoother, more streamlined Android experience without those unnecessary Chrome notifications popping up. Thank you for watching.